Pond5 Stock Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get stock media wrong. They think it's all expensive or limited, but you won't believe what happens next when you explore Pond5. Pond5 is a stock media marketplace offering videos, music, sound effects, photos, and templates for creative projects. Unlike subscription-only platforms, Pond5 allows you to purchase individual assets, giving flexibility for occasional users or small projects. The surprising truth about Pond5 is the quality and diversity of its library. From HD and 4K footage to cinematic music tracks, it covers a wide range of genres and styles. Each asset comes with clear licensing terms for commercial or personal use. Most people get this wrong. They assume purchasing stock means repetitive or low-quality media. Pond5 curates content from professional creators worldwide, providing unique and high-quality visuals, sounds, and graphics. The platform is best for filmmakers, video editors, advertisers, and content creators seeking professional-grade assets without committing to a subscription. It's particularly useful if you need specific clips or music for a project. The surprising truth is that Pond5 allows you to access premium stock media with flexible pricing, making high-quality creative work affordable and efficient. Subscribe for more honest reviews of stock media platforms to help you create smarter and faster.